Bacteria and other unicellular organisms develop sophisticated ways to actively navigate their way, despite being comparably simple structures. To reveal these mechanisms, researchers from the Max Planck Institute for Dynamics and Self-Organization, MPIDS, used oil droplets as a model for biological microswimmers. In order to survive, biological organisms have to react to their environment. Whereas humans or animals possess a complex nervous system to sense their surroundings and to make conscious decisions, unicellular organisms develop different strategies. In biology, small organisms such as parasites and bacteria, for example, navigate through narrow channels such as blood vessels. They often do so in a regular, oscillating manner based on hydrodynamic interactions with the confining wall of the channel. In our experiments, we could confirm the theoretical model that describes the specific dynamics of the microswimmer based on its size and the interactions with the channel wall, comments Corinna Maass, principal investigator of the studies. A trail of used fuel. In another study, the researchers investigated how moving microswimmers mutually affect each other. In their experimental model, small oil droplets in a soapy solution move autonomously by butting off little amounts of oil-generating propulsion. Like a plane leaves behind contrails, the microswimmers generate a trace of used fuel which can repel others. Interestingly, this causes a self-avoiding movement for individual microswimmers, whereas an ensemble of them results in droplets being caged between the trails of one another, reports Babak Vajdi Hokmabad, first author of the study. The repelling of the second droplet at the trajectory of a previously passing one depends on its approaching angle and the time passed after the first swimmer. These experimental findings also confirm the theoretical work in the field, previously conducted by Ramin Golestanian, managing director of the MPIDS. The research was conducted in the scope of the Max Planck Center for Complex Fluid Dynamic, a joint research center composed of the MPIDS, the MPI for Polymer Research and the University of Twente. They found that multiple droplets can form clusters that spontaneously start to float like hovercrafts or rise and rotate like microscopic helicopters. The rotation of the cluster is based on cooperative coupling between the individual droplets, which leads to coordinated behavior, although individual droplets alone do not comprise such movement. Make a difference. Sponsored opportunity. Story source. Materials provided by Max Planck Institute for Dynamics and Self-Organization. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Journal references: Babak Vajdi Hokmabad, Jaime Agudo-Canalejo, Suropriya Saha, Ramin Golestanian, Corinna Maass. Chemotactic self-caging in active emulsions. Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, 2022. 119, 24, doi. 10. 1073, PNAS. 2122269119 Ranabir Day. Carola M. Buness, Babak Vajdi Hokmabad, Chenyu Jin, Corinna Maass. Swimming without brains and muscles. Physical mechanisms behind the movement of microswimmers. Science Daily, 29 July 2022. ift.tt/1q58dxl. Max Planck Institute for Dynamics and Self-Organization. 2022, July 29. Swimming without brains and muscles. Physical mechanisms behind the movement of microswimmers. https://ift.tt1q58dxl. Access July 29, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.